Okay, guys, good morning. The 27th today, which is a Wednesday, and we don't really have that much news today. What we do have is, let's get rid of that. What we do have is mortgage applications and then foreign bond investment later on, which literally is nothing. We have a Fed Wall speech at 10. No news today, no high impact news. It's going to affect the market crazy. Let's just make sure that there's no low impact news that's going to do it. Crude oil, gasoline, gas lines, stock inventory. No, literally nothing. So super clean day. We don't have to wait for any news, which is good. We did not get a trade yesterday. So why did we not get a trade yesterday? I don't want these to just be analysis. I want them to be educational as well. So yesterday, we opened here, right? We opened here, 1 o'clock. What I was looking for is a move to the upside. Now, obviously, with a move to the upside, it needs to be a bullish engulfing candle. All these candles that we've traded have been bullish engulfings, and they've usually continued for the rest of the day. So what I was looking for yesterday was a move like this, breaking this high, breaking all of this little bit of sell pressure here, which we did not get. We did not get that. We got these little inside bullish pin bars that don't really signal any significant buy pressure. So we left it and it ended up coming all the way back down to this level of support here. How did it close on the daily? Well, we actually closed a little bit bearish on the daily. But there's still this level of support. So honestly, today could go bullish or could go bearish. The reason why I'm saying bearish is because there is a significant level which I got rid of yesterday, which is this level. We do have the previous high here, but we also have this level here, which also is a weekly level. Now we could see higher time frame exhaustion to this level before seeing the move breaking all-time highs and breaking above it. So today, if we do get a break below here, we'll go short. If we get a bounce, we'll go long. But for now, let's just keep it simple. Go for a bounce. And predict it's going to go long today. For the analysis sake, but we know that if we break below here, if we break below the daily open, these are all these lines here. We break below the daily open, more than likely it's going to continue moving down because we are in a slight downtrend here. We don't need to put that in. I'm just going to put it in for visual purposes. All you really need to know is we're in consolidation, slight downtrend, buy pressure here. If we break this, more than likely going to go down to the 118,000 level. That's the level after we break this, okay? Simple as that. US 30. Let's take a look at this. So US 30 didn't give us anything yesterday. We did get an entry candle yesterday. But just like I said, the reason why I choose US 100 over US 30 is that US 30 gives false moves. So you will get more trades on US 30, but you'll get less accurate trades. So you would have probably be at break even now if you didn't hit stop loss on that. So what am I looking for today? Still, I'm looking for a bullish engulfing candle to break this level here. It hasn't really broken yet. What's more than likely going to happen? It's going to tap the open. And then we're going to see this move here. So again, still looking for the same trade today. How did yesterday close? Pin bar to the downside. No, in fact, that's a indecision. The reason why it's indecision is because it has pins at both ends. No actual real direction. A direction candle's this here. This is a indecision. Not that much volume in the market yesterday. So even though we had CB consumer, that's a terrible candle for CB consumer. I would have expected at least a bullish candle to break above here, but yeah, one of those days. Literally nothing in the market. So still bullish on US 30, possibly meaning that US 100 is going to go bullish as well, but we shall see. Let's take a look at gold. Gold has been moving a little bit weird recently. It moves to the upside, then it moves to the downside. It's not really giving us any clues, really. So let's take a fresh look at this. Fresh look now. Daily. So on the daily, to me, honestly, this is looking as though it's really struggling to break above. If we just take a look, we've got pins here. Take a look, we've got this one. And if you take a look, we've got this one here yesterday. What is this here? This is a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So this to me signals, just technically, purely technically, looking at the daily, I'm thinking this is going to fall. But we'll see what this has to say. So short term, the USD is a minus 1.7. Short term, gold's a minus 0.3. So not much in it short term. What about medium? Medium term, the USD is a positive 1.5, gold's positive 5. Long term, gold's a positive 5.1, USD is positive 0.5. So medium term and long term, this is moving to the upside, which, as we can see, is pretty accurate. I think it's going to be the short term, which is going to tell us the direction. Honestly, it could literally do both. Let's stick with the overall premise that this is going to move to the upside because, to be honest, there is this uptrend. We are at a very nice level. We did break here. Exhaustion, consolidation, potential for a continued move today. So this is the position I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to go to, did I say 2212 yesterday? Probably a little bit less, probably 2210. Clone this. Obviously, TP1 is going to be here. But that's what I'm going to be looking for. Long terms to the upside, medium term very much to the upside. It's respecting this uptrend. It's respecting this level. So we carry on moving to the upside on gold. Simple as that. Great British pound against the yen. See what this has done. Literally not moved to the upside, has it? So on the daily here, we did see a bullish candle at this very significant level after the exhaustion, which is fine. All we're really looking for now is that continued move. Again, with the Great British pound against the yen, all these pins here, if you have a look, started off like this. So this could be a good day because when it turns, it's going to be pretty good. So let's take a look. The yen is a positive 8, though. Wow. Great British pound positive 2.9, so you wouldn't place a trade yet. Short term. Medium term, the yen is stronger than the Great British pound. Long term, the Great British pound is stronger than the yen. Yeah, so you would need medium term and short term to change. That can change, though, pretty quickly. And obviously, you're waiting for still a break above here. You can pretty much see now that the yen is stronger. You don't really need to go to the currency strength. Positive 8.8, positive 2.8. You wouldn't trade this now anyway. It needs to break above this level here. Consolidation, obviously we have another daily open here. Probably going to tap that and then move to the upside. So yeah, keep your eyes on this. Probably around 11, 12 o'clock. Take a look at the currency strength, see if the bearish pan has taken over, and see if we've moved above this level here. If we have come to here and the yen's still stronger, don't trade it, because more than likely you're going to see sell pressure and move down. And this little beauty right here has stopped me from taking trades that looked amazing and then ended up in an SL. Well, would have ended up in an SL. So yeah, that's why I use this so much. So that's the greatest pound against the yen, the greatest pound against the USD now. Let's take a look. Didn't really move yesterday, did it, with CB Consumer, which was surprising. We know that. How did yesterday close? Pin bar. Okay, fair enough. So today could be the bearish. Did literally touch this level. So yeah, looking for anything bearish today. The greatest pound is a positive 3.6 at this moment in time. And the USD is a minus 3.4. Medium term, it's weaker. Long term, the bearish plan is weaker. So yeah, literally, we just need short term to catch up, which will be when we break. Whoops. When we break below here. So we could. We've already seen the pin bar, which is really good. We've got this daily open here. At the moment, it's riding up. Literally, all I want to see, I don't want my SL there. I want it here. And TP be 1.24800. That would be my trade. Obviously, depending on price action. Obviously, if the bearish engulfing is down here, my actual entry will be down here. So there we go. Literally looking for anything bearish today to continue what this pin bar started. We'll move to the upside. This is, so if we take a look, yesterday was a pin bar, right? Let's just make this red. Yesterday closed like that. At this moment in time, the chart's doing this. It's filling out this pin. Once we see that move to the downside, we'll enter. And then hopefully you get a very good, juicy daily bearish engulfing close after. So that's what you're looking for. Euro USD, I'm going to guess it's probably doing the same. I said you could have entered at this entry candle, but there is still an entry today, basically the same as the bearish pound against the USD. These two basically move the same. There's no point trading both. Just trade one of them, whichever one you prefer, because 95% of the time, they're going to move the same, guys. It's not really anything magic about it. The euro is very correlated to the Great British Pound because we buy most of their stuff. Simple as that. It's through trade and obviously the European Union, all this stuff, and basically in each other's pockets. So yeah, they basically move the same against the US dollar. It's just as simple as that. So again, yesterday, pin bar exactly the same as the Great British Pound against USD, hoping for a bearish engulfing today. So if you break below this low here, you can definitely trade it. Simple as that. So does anyone have any questions? Want me to go through anything else? Let me know. Other than that, that is the analysis. A little bit of education. I try and make these as educational as I can. Does anyone have any questions? I missed the 100. Okay. 1 second. Whoops. So with US 100, Yesterday closed bearish, but at this nice level of buyer pressure here. So today we could bounce, but if it does break this level, and then I'm not against going short on it. Because if it does go short, it's going to go down to the 18000, which is this level here. So I'm all for a long, I'm all for a short as well. Basically looking for a bounce or a break of this level, bro, to be honest. Thanks. Great session. Okay, Pauline, thank you very much. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for joining, and I shall see you later. And yeah, take care, guys. Don't risk all your money on one trade, please. Take care, guys. Bye bye.